Angry Dave here. I got a piece of shit broken Weedeater. Let's fix it. Literally built this fucking workbench so I could work on it, but I'm too lazy to put shit away, so I guess we gotta go on the ground. Grab your two-stroke kit. Got a hole in the primer bulb and some fucked up lines, so let's replace all this. Shit. Alright, now we're gonna take these little screws out. Pop the cover off, take out the old bulb, just push it through. Push the new one in, put the screws back in. Put the carburetor and the air box back in. Open your gas tank. Dump out the old line and filter. Fuck! Fuck! Ow! Ow! Shit. Alright, I got it. So basically, you're just gonna fucking put that shit on. Run it up. And then like kind of measure. You just kind of want it to be like down in there a little bit, so I'm gonna cut it there. But I'm gonna cut it at an angle to help me feed it through the hole. Shit. Whatever, fuck that shit. I'm not using that. I'll use a different filter. It's probably gonna run like shit now. I'm gonna stuff it down in there. Give it plenty of slack so we can hit the bottom of the tank. And then you're gonna just mark it and cut it. Fuck, that's straight gas, god damn it. Filled it up all the way for it to not freaking run. All right, choke is on. This is your last fucking chance. Fuck! I'm fucking done with this shit. Turn the fucking camera off.